Hey Hema, look at this jacquard print for 499.
The typical jacquard is common between a handloom or a powerloom, but what is a jacquard? To understand the jacquard, let's understand the end use first. Now, jacquard is this machine which is an attachment on a handloom or a powerloom, and the work of the jacquard is to give designs on the fabric. Now, these designs are going to be woven. Now to make these kind of designs, we have to get the design saved as zeros and ones and then punched on a card like this that the jacquard can then read. So if you look at this whole cards that are punched and laid here, they are basically the data for this design, the small motif. It has to be punched and saved like this. Now, anything involving threads or a thread work, as you can call it commonly, is a woven technique, and anything that is superficially printed or pasted on the fabric is called a printing technique. So, a jacquard in its essence can never become a print. Now, we have seen saris like this at the same meterage of the fabric. You have two different designs. That means they have used two jacquards. So, in this, we have a jacquard for the body and we have a jacquard for the border. However, when it comes till the pallu, we have only one jacquard for the body meterage, but we just change the design. It does not depend on the size of the design. Whatever be the size, complication, you can use a jacquard. Now, even if you see a small design like this, and if you can just turn and see the thread work and especially the turning work, then you can convince that this is done by a jacquard. It's also interesting to note that the reverse is also possible. There are certain handloom techniques, in fact, a lot of techniques that don't need a jacquard to create motifs. Standard example being our Maheshwaris and Chanderis. Now, having said this, reducing any kind of effort, for a minute, let's leave it as a powerloom or handloom, any kind of effort and in fact yarn consumption, of course it's thread work, so we're going to be using more yarn, right? Reducing all of it to a print and trying to sell it just because the name sounds very different and sophisticated as a jacquard print at a 499 is therefore nothing but a
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है